Good day and welcome to today's construction class. Today we're considering the construction of an involute of a pentagon, or a regular polygon. Okay, so this is a regular pentagon, all right, having five sides. So I've constructed the pentagon. So if you want to learn how to construct a pentagon, kindly check the description under the link below. All right, so I'm going to name this Mark 0, Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, Mark 4, and 0 over 5. Oh, so Mark 2 area is going to come like this. So this line that is coming all the way here, I'm going to project it down for Mark 2. So for Mark 3, from 3 all the way there down like this, that's for Mark 3. Mark 4, from here like this all the way to the top for Mark 4. So for Mark 5, 0 over 5, and that's going to be this baseline, okay, all the way down here. So it's going to be that baseline like that. So with my lines gotten, let me develop my my involute. So pinning it at Mark 1, so extending from 1 to 0, which is this. So I draw this like this till it touches Mark 1. Okay, it touches Mark 1. So take note of that. Right, so I extend my compass to Mark 2, extend it to where 1 ends, which is here. Okay, you can see that right there. Then I draw it. So this way it touches line for what? Line for 2. So place my compass on Mark 3, extend this to where 2 ends, which is this. Then I draw my arc. So that is where it touches boundary for 3. Okay, wow, I failed to draw for 4. So for 4 is going to go this way. Yeah, so from this point, okay, my Mark 4 to where arc of 3 ends, which is here. Okay, so I draw it all the way to where it touches 4. You can see that, to where it touches 4. Okay, then for Mark 5, so just shift this. Okay, so 0 over 5, which is here, extending it to where 4 ends, which is this. Okay, then I draw my 5. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial class. That is the involute for a regular polygon, and in this case it was a pentagon. So some might be asking, if you were to be for a hexagon, which is to be involute for a hexagon, an hexagon actually looks like this, right? So if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 over 6, so 0 and 6 will come here. For Mark 1 will be here, Mark 2 will be here, Mark 3 will be here, Mark 4 will be here, Mark 5 will be like this. Do you see that? So that is how it is actually going to go. That's how it's going to go. All right, so and that brings us to the end of this tutorial video. Okay, my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure to subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.